Top 10 longest railway tunnels in the world. Number 10. West Qinling Tunnel, China, 28.2 km. Number 9. Guadarrama Tunnel, Spain, 28.4 km. Number 8. Shanghai Airport Tunnel, China, 30.5 km. Number 7. New Guanjiao Tunnel, China, 32.6 km. Number 6. Lötschberg Base Tunnel, Switzerland, 34.6 km. Number 5. Songshan Lake Tunnel, China, 38.8 km. Number 4. Yulhyeon Tunnel, South Korea, 50.3 km. Number 3. Channel Tunnel, France UK, 50.4 km. Number 2. Seikan Tunnel, Japan, 53.8 km. Number 1. Gotthard Base Tunnel, Switzerland, 57.1 km. Would you dare to travel through these super long tunnels? Comment below.